Why does my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system freeze during summer? It freezes because warm air cannot move across the cold coil properly, so moisture in the air turns to ice instead of just cooling down like it should. This usually happens when airflow is blocked or when the refrigerant level inside the system is too low. Think of your system like a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. If the air around that glass cannot move freely, water builds up and eventually turns into frost the longer it sits. Your indoor unit works the same way. The coil inside needs a steady stream of warm air blowing across it to stay at the right temperature. If that airflow gets blocked by a dirty filter, closed vents, or a dirty coil, the coil gets too cold and ice starts forming instead of just cooling the air. Something most people do not know is that low refrigerant does not just make your home warmer, it actually makes the coil colder, which speeds up freezing even faster than low airflow alone. A simple thing you can do right now is check and replace your air filter, since a clogged filter is the #1 reason systems freeze up in the summer. One common mistake homeowners make is running their system on a very low temperature setting during extremely hot days, thinking it will cool the home faster, but this actually increases the chance of freezing, so keep the setting reasonable and let the system work steadily. Another misconception is that closing vents in unused rooms saves energy, but it actually restricts airflow and can cause freezing, so keep most vents open even in rooms you are not using. People also forget that a frozen coil should never just be forced to keep running, since this can damage the compressor, so turn the system off and let it thaw completely before calling for help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.